In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Etsy and Xero for accurate accounting. Before we dive in, make sure you're signed into Xero with a user role that can connect apps and that you're working in the correct Xero organization. If you manage multiple entities, it helps to quickly note which one you want Etsy connected to so you don't link the wrong file. Start from your Xero dashboard. In the top right corner, look for the small grid icon. This is the app launcher. Click it to open the menu of shortcuts that help you discover and connect add-ons to your Xero account. From that menu, choose Open Xero App Store. This takes you to Xero's official marketplace, where you'll find integrations that pass Xero security and quality standards. Using the App Store ensures the connection is secure and maintained, which is essential for clean accounting data. Once the App Store loads, use the search bar and type Etsy. Keep it simple, just the word Etsy is enough. You should see the Etsy listing appear in the results. Go ahead and click on Etsy to open the app's page. Here, you can review an overview of what the integration does, read about features, and check the types of data it can sync, like sales and fees. It's a good idea to scan this information to confirm it matches your workflow and region. When you're ready, click Get this app. This begins the secure connection process. You'll be prompted to confirm which Xero organization you want to connect. Select the organization that holds the bank account and chart of accounts you use for your Etsy activity. Choosing the right organization here avoids headaches later, so take a moment to double check the name before continuing. Next, you'll see a permissions screen asking you to allow access. These permissions let the integration create and update transactions, contacts, and settings required to reflect your Etsy sales, fees, and taxes in Xero. Review the request, and when you're comfortable, click Allow Access. You can manage or revoke app access from Xero later if needed. After you allow access, you'll be taken to the integration's setup area to finish configuration. At this stage, it's wise to plan how you want sales, shipping, discounts, and Etsy fees to appear in your accounts, and which bank or clearing account you'll use for payouts. If you operate with multiple tax rates, make sure you know how you want them mapped so your reports remain accurate. If you run into any issues, like the App Store not opening or the permission screen not appearing, check for pop-up blockers, confirm you're an authorized user, and verify you're in the correct organization. That's it. You've started the Etsy Xero connection the right way, paving the path for cleaner books and faster reconciliations.